Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, January 15th of 2019. Today for our January birthdays, we do have Colin Skeel. So happy birthday, Colin. I hope you have a great day. Also a reminder, today is the first day for our spring choir practice. That will be happening after school today. So boys and girls, make sure that you have arrangements for being picked up today after choir practice is completed. For lunch choices, we have hot dog, beef nachos, and some butter apple wrap. So I don't think that's something new. I think that is something brand new. I don't remember seeing that on the menu before. So maybe you'll have some people that will be getting that to try it out. For our pause today, we have 4th grade students who came up with their own pause today and their own suggestions about things about how you can help out making sure that you maintain pause at all times.
Okay, boys and girls, today for our pause, the 4th grade students had come up with different suggestions about pause of what things that you can or cannot do.
No matter what, always be positive. I'm going to be talking about bullying. If you see someone getting bullied, say stop to the bully.
If you're playing basketball, follow the rules.
If you see your friend treating you the way that you want to be treated, treat them the way they want to be treated.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate those suggestions for our pause for today. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. Very nice job. Everyone have a great day today. Make some great choices. And make sure that you follow those things that the 4th grade students said today for their pause. So let's make sure that we're keeping positive and we're being respectful. Have a great day.